Okay, so this is for plantar fasciitis, so any kind of pain on the bottom part of the foot, or it helps to give a bit of arch support, okay? So we're gonna start with some anchors, just over here. So with the anchor, we like to put it a little bit lower, just a little bit below the head of the 5th metatarsal. So I've heard stories where people tape over the metatarsal and it's actually caused a stress fracture. So we just go just a little bit below, okay? I go, no tension, just like that. That's the main anchor. Foot position, we want the toes back as much as you can, okay? Coming up, so this one, I like to go around the Achilles, coming up and just landing on the anchors, nice and flush. So this one, you might get a little bit of crinkling, but that's fine. I haven't had anyone complain of it giving them any pressure sores or anything. And usually the tape stays on for about 2 to 4 days, or when they're done training, you're fine. So with the second tape, I like to come towards the center again, closing up just here. Depending on the size of the foot, you might need maybe another strap. The third one, I like to cross over. So coming up here, crossing all the way over to this side, and all the way over to this side, like that. Okay. Last one, straight down the middle, just to go in line with the plantar itself. So coming down here, along the plantar, and I like to aim it towards the first toe, just like that. And then to finish off, we just anchor it up again. Just like that. Comfortable?